Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to solve one of the issue, that is bucket does not allow all ACLs. Why this issue happens? Because last time when we create the bucket, we have make sure it is disabled, right? So in my code, I'm using ACL public read. Okay, that is the case that the issue is coming. Okay, first option, how we are going to solve this issue. If you are using in your code that is ACL public read, so you can comment this and upload your file. Okay, when I comment this one and run the file, here you can see that if I go to my buckets objects, and here you can see that I'm able to upload my file. Okay, second option is like go to the properties. Okay, go to this folder, then we have a permissions, then we have object ownership. Click on this, and here you have, because by default I've selected disabled. If you want to make it enabled, then enabled, then save the changes. Okay, after doing this, successfully updated the ownership. Okay, now I'm going to already enable this one. Now I'm going to restart the project. Okay, let's try to upload another image. Okay, so here we go with our postman, and let's remove this. What happening? Select files. Okay, I'm going to upload this image. Now send this image. Fail to upload. What will happen? Now public access control list ACLs are blocked by the public IPs because we haven't access public access, right? So we have already, if you go and see that, block public access. So that's the reason. If you want to upload publicly, then you have to make these settings to be enabled. Okay, so I think for this one, for now, if you don't want the public read, so make sure you have to just comment this one and you can upload the code, right? If you want to make it public read, then you have to see these options and edit that options. Okay, if you want to make this working, right? So these are the two things when you it happens, so you can change that one and it automatically remove that issue. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.